Today we're gonna make high protein, high calorie vegan waffles. This is a perfect recipe if you're a skinny vegan that wants to gain weight because they're gonna pack a lot of calories and not that many waffles.
Yeah, this is a perfect recipe for massing phases, for maintenance phases, and yeah, for people that enjoy eating.
So the ingredients that we have today are waffle mix, Belgian waffle mix. You can find it on Amazon.
We have any kind of veggie milk. We're using soy
milk.
And your protein powder, we are using Vida Birdman. You can always use our discount on Twins. We like the chocolate flavor.
Let's go. So first,
I'll directly be in, you cook. Transformation, Julian, the cook. Julian, you're entering a massing phase soon, right?
yes, December, so we have to eat plenty of these waffles soon.
Excellent. So this is the waffles that everybody loves so much. We're gonna be pouring 150 grams of that into a bowl. Again, if you wanted to change the macros a little bit, make them less caloric, you would use a little bit less of this flour, but 150 is what you're gonna get for incredible waffles. Now we're gonna add 30 grams of your protein powder. Excellent, a little bit more.
30 grams?
30 grams. And we're gonna be adding 200 grams of your veggie milk. Exactly, 200 grams. And now we've leveled up. We've done waffles so many times, so we got this ninja thingy.
Mixer.
A mixer. So you're gonna mix till you have a very beautiful. So the consistency is very creamy. You want it like this so it doesn't stick on your waffle maker.
Delicious.
Yeah. Approved by Chef Julian.
Yes.
All right. So while you're doing this, yeah,
My beer.
yes, yes. So preheating your waffle maker. This one will tell us when it's hot enough, and this is gonna be green. So just let it heat, and then we're gonna be cooking our waffles.
So since this is a recipe to gain weight, high calorie recipe, you can always add any type of nut butter. You can add peanut butter, you can use this peanut butter and co. dark hazelnut chocolate. This is freaking delicious. It is high calorie, but again, you're trying to gain weight. This Biscoff, it's also really delicious. It's kind of dangerous because once you taste it, you might not be able to stop. But again, it adds calories, right? And we're trying to look for more calories. So these are two toppings you can include on top of your waffle to make it even more delicious and to add more calories.
So I'm adding all of the recipe into the app. I'm using Jack Coach. Soon it's gonna be available for everybody to use. But yeah, definitely you wanna make sure that you add all of the ingredients to any app that you're using for counting macros, and I'll let you know how much is of everything. All right, so the macros for this meal is 32 grams of protein, 121 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fats. So that's a total of 680 calories for this meal. We like to put a little bit of oil. Un poco más. Eso. We're gonna put all the batter in.
By the way, if you're a vegan who wants to build muscle, lose fat, and you're not sure about how to do it, we can guide you with one-on-one coaching. We provide nutrition guidance with meal planning. We provide training design that fits your lifestyle and your goals, and we provide accountability. So if you're interested in knowing more about the coaching, you can click on the link in the description and book a free consultation call so we can figure out if we're the right people to help you reach your fitness and health goals without eating animal products.
All right, so as you can see, the waffle maker already has the green, but we like to wait for another green in order to take them out. So we like them a little bit more crunchy.
Yeah, but you gotta check your waffle maker just to make sure you don't burn them, because each waffle maker is a little bit different. Some of them cook a little faster, some a little bit slower.
Yeah.
Beautiful waffles.
Perfect.
And now obviously when you're making the waffles, you can add toppings. We like frozen banana because it's like the cold and the hot, it's a nice combination in your mouth. So you put some bananas on top.
That's roughly like 20 grams of banana.
So you can add those to your...
We got this syrup that
It's
again...
supposed to be low calorie, but it's a lie. It's very high in calories. But again, this is for people that want a mass.
Okay. Lastly... Eso.
Alright, so our cameraman is gonna try out our waffles.
Let's see. How do you eat them without breaking them?
Break me. You got my permission.
No, good.
He's the chef?
Let's go.
Yes, let's go.